You are watching NYANSAPO TV. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and then post your comment in the comment section. What you're seeing right now is a 3-year-old girl dancing kitty to welcome Otumfuo Asantehene, the king of the Ashanti kingdom, and his subjects. They are all adorned in their colorful regalia, royal regalia, coming to the Debar grounds for the last Adaekese in the year 2020. You see them all observing the COVID-19 protocols to signify that they are really aware of the pandemic. Otumfuo is led into the Debar grounds by his sub-chiefs, and he is in his full royal regalia, from the crown of his head to the soles of his feet. He is adorned in rich royal Asante hand-woven bonwe kente cloth, very beautiful and colorful, walking majestically to the Debar grounds. And that is the display of royalty. Very colorful, very beautiful. Surrounded by the various sub-chiefs. And all those you see around are all the subjects of Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, Osei Tutu Abibirem, Otumfuo of the Ashanti kingdom. Nana being welcomed to his royal throne by the various sub-chiefs and his subjects. See all the colorful display of rich Ashanti culture by the various chiefs. Nana is now sitting in state majestically, seeing other chiefs with their rich kente cloths at the Debar. Very beautiful, colorful, different colors, designs of bonwe kente. Nana Osei Tutu II, Otumfuo Asantehene of the Ashanti kingdom, a very powerful king who is most revered and respected, surrounded by his subjects. Very powerful king. A homage is now being paid to Otumfuo, who is sitting in state by the various chiefs. You see them bowing down and going down their cloth. That signifies their respect and the honor they have for Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the Asantehene of the Ashanti kingdom. The chiefs are paying homage to Otumfuo Osei Tutu in their colorful hand-woven kente. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. And these are also some of the chiefs paying homage to Nana Asantehene, Otumfuo Osei Tutu Abibirem II. Some of them are in black and white kente cloth, signifying joy, happiness, because of the Adaekese festival. They are still paying homage, including some paramount queen mothers and other dignitaries paying homage to Otumfuo Osei Tutu. Members of the diplomatic corps are also not left out. They all came to show their respect to the Asantehene, Otumfuo Osei Tutu Abibirem II. During the last celebration of the Adaekese, a revered festival.
Welcome to Ghana.
Thank you. It's lovely to be here.
So what's your name and which country are you from?
My name is Amanda, and I'm coming from the United States.
Okay, I'm sure. Is it your first time here in Ghana?
It's my first time in Ghana, and it's my first time in the Asante Kingdom.
Asante Kingdom. So I mean, what is your expectation? What is your expectation so far?
You know, I didn't know. I know that Ghanaian people are lovely and warm and friendly, but I didn't know. I had no idea it would be as beautiful and amazing as this.
So what is your expectation so far?
My expectation was that it would be something interesting, but I never imagined it would be as beautiful and as majestic as this, and that you would let me come all the way inside and be a part of this special day. So it's amazing.
Wow. So I mean, if you go back to United States of America and then you were to ask to tell something about Ghana, especially the Ashanti Kingdom or tradition, what actually are you going to say?
I would tell them they have to come, and they have to try to come to make it for the festival, and if not, at least come and meet the beautiful people, see the amazing clothing that you make and the delicious food, and come without hesitation.
So when you came, which food have you eaten?
Look, red is my favorite. Red is my favorite.
What about
fufu? Okay, I love fufu, but red is even better.
So when are you going to try fufu?
I had fufu for lunch.
Thank you very much, and nice talking to you.
You too. Take care.
Thank you very much.
United Nations, a permanent representative, Mrs. Matapubi, Ono Ewoha. Ghana Cinema or American man, His Excellency Ambassador Beria Ewoha. Samson Ghana, a cinema or China, His Excellency Ambassador Idren Wati, Ononso Ewoha. Onana Osei SB entry. Oda Kumasi Kupon Ano Oha. Me offer for you transfer, so mother transfer. We have governor Bakobe, and we have for SK Wafu or Bango for Protocol and the kind of regional security council members and also Chief Director, Minister of Interior, and also
His Majesty, the Otumfuo Osei Tutu, the second. And yes, as you can see, the police IGP, and then followed by a prisons officer. Yes. And also
the former president, John now, this is a challenge. I'm going to say, what do you say? You Commissioner of Police, Mr. in charge of legal and prosecution. Then we have George Mensah, honestly a Commissioner of Police, and also in charge of services. And then we have honestly a Commissioner of Police, and also in charge of special duties. Then I have to touch the baby, I got it from the until you have a control.
Commissioner of Police, special duties, Director General of the CID, Commissioner of Police, of the Ghana Council's Chief Bomb Expert.
Here we've now come to the end of the celebration of the Adaekese and the Debar of Chiefs at Mansha Palace. What you are seeing now is Otumfuo Osei Tutu II and Asantehene leaving the Debar grounds and greeting all his subjects for making the Adaekese a memorable one. The last Adaekese of the year 2020, Otumfuo has now brought the celebration to an end, and he's now surrounded by his subjects dancing to usher him back to the palace after the Debar of Chiefs. See the phantom from drum being played by the drummers to usher him back to the palace. And what you're seeing now is the Enyumkro group playing and dancing around the Ashanti king to congratulate him for the celebration, the successful celebration of the last Adaekese in the year 2020. We say congratulations to Otumfuo Osei Tutu for such a wonderful display of tradition and royalty. The regional minister of the Ashanti region, Mr. Simon Osei Mensah, and COP Kofi Boakye are all there to pay their respect to Otumfuo Osei Tutu And the little girl, that 3-year-old girl, is now dancing again the kete song and dance to usher Nana Osei Tutu Abibirem II to the palace from the Debar grounds of the last Adaekese in the year 2020. And this comes to the end of the show. Like NYANSAPO TV, subscribe to it, share, and then put your comment in the comment box.
Madam Wasisemudi Mechi, Equeshe Asante, Amamre, any Amanie. Me and Medi Jumedi Hochiame, your friend Nana Egenim Boating, Ayabuafo. Madam Wasibebre.